Good morning. I'm coming to you from my office. Now, it's one thing to go out in the yard and film a video, but it's quite another to put it together into one of my videos. And all the magic happens right here. What I'm working on today, a trip that I took last year to England, Amsterdam, and Germany. I have 16 videos from England, private and public gardens online. I have 3 videos from Amsterdam, and I already have 3 parts from Germany online, and I'm working through that, committed to finishing it. And the next one is Ranka's Garden. She's one of my biggest fans and watches all of my videos numerous times, and she invited me to northern Germany. Now, she has a healing berry garden, and she has so many berries, and she's an expert on medicinal herbs, and she's got dozens and dozens of plants. Because I always save this for the end, and it's possible some of you might not make it to the end of the video, although why not? But anyway, I'm going to do my pitch right now. I have a subscriber goal till the end of the year, and I'm just giving myself this deadline. So if you really love this channel, please go out and get at least 10 friends to fall in love with it too. Rather than me singing my own praises, let me have one of my big fans tell you about my channel. Take it away, Ranka.
I first heard about you from One Yard Revolution from Patrick. And when I watched your first clip, I was hooked. It was the best gardening show I've ever seen on YouTube. And I followed you for about 3 years, and you have evolved. You have been grown so much better now. You have such a broad width of topics you cover. It's amazing, and I'm really always looking for the next YouTube clip you are putting on YouTube almost every morning. I'm so waiting for it because you have that monarch butterflies. The birth of the monarch butterflies, the rain episode, I love the rain episode, the desert blooms, wonderful. And every time you visit your garden, or I visit your garden, it's like visiting an old friend. I know what you're growing here and there, and Eric is there helping you. Zachary is coming over. I love Zachary. Your neighbors are popping in. There's everything. Your cozy corner, wonderful, your cozy corner. I love every new thing you are showing there. I love the wonderful gardeners you're visiting. The ladies in Phoenix, wonderful ladies. Everywhere on the world now you're visiting gardeners. It's the best gardening show on YouTube, period.
On Tuesday, Renee, who's doing much better, was here pruning my olive trees. He has more expertise at that than I felt that I did, and Eric. So he got all the major cuts. I hauled out all the branches and picked the olives. So Renee is here getting the larger olive tree under control, and the olives are going everywhere, and I'm going to try to save some of these. So Renee has just made an observation that only the old part of the limb has olives, and because it did get pruned either last year or year before, so the top newer 5-6 feet have not a single olive. So this is one way to control the olive production if you don't want to deal with olives. like to know what that little black bird, or I wonder if there was a nest in there. Something else that was feeding on the olives. Standing on the very top step. Be careful, please. While he was here, I was absolutely determined to take all the olives and get them pressed. I spent hours picking the olives off of the cut branches. But I only had like one bucket this full at the end of the day. So I felt like it didn't warrant, I didn't have enough olives to warrant finding out some place to get it pressed and possibly spending money. So I thought, well, I'll brine them. So yesterday I made up another brine and I soaked the olives for an hour, and the maggots didn't readily crawl out, and I thought, well, they have to be in there, and the whole thing, I just got a little bit panicky because I'm leaving tomorrow, and I just said, okay, I've already done the brine and I'm going to cut my losses, and I chucked them all, a bucket full, after spending all that time. I know sometimes you make these hard choices, and that's the choice I made. So my hope is, with this great pruning of the olive trees, I'm going to have a great crop next year, and the focus will be on getting them pressed into olive oil. I'm gearing up for my trip tomorrow. I just checked in. I'm going to Missouri to see the wildly popular Doug and Stacy at their homestead and mingle with them for a couple of days and shoot some videos. So you'll have that to look forward to. I can't wait. I've been wanting to go for 2 years now, and in the meantime they've just exploded on YouTube, so maybe some of that will rub off on me. This is Thursday work day, and things are underway outside. Eric is doing what I consider to be just grunt work that you have to do in the garden. A week ago, we had a major rain. Our first since, I don't even know, April, March. It's been forever. And it was so exciting. All of my rain barrels are full. Then that was promptly followed by Santa Ana winds. And even though the ground was soaked, the plants were laying over like this. And of course, it made such a mess. So Eric is busy doing a lot of that kind of cleanup today, and I'll be in here getting ready to go on my trip, because you know I want to have videos set to upload while I'm gone, so we have a continuity of content. Thank you so much for watching this channel, and supporting it and sharing it with your friends, liking the videos, watching till the end, letting the ads play. All of those things help us make a few pennies and grow. If you share on social media and with your friends, YouTube notices that and then they promote. And that's how the growth happens exponentially. When it really takes off, it takes off. You may have shared 10 times before and you think, oh, I've shared 10 times before. Well, I need you to share one more time, at least one more time. So thank you so much. And let me know if you enjoyed hearing from me in my office. And I'll see you in the next video.